Welcome back to the Kushtikot channel, everyone. So I got a short one for you today, but it's a very valuable trick that I think you all can take home and start using, immediately or whenever the need arrives. So I'm doing some door panel work on the old OBS Chevy back here. And one thing you got to do is remove these window cranks. And if you've ever removed these cranks, you know they're kind of a pain in the ass. They do make a tool that kind of looks like a big screwdriver, flathead screwdriver with the middle taken out. So you can take these clips out, as you see, these clips, and that big screwdriver looking thing with the middle taken out will just push it out. That makes it pretty easy. Tools are $7, $10 or more, depending. Or you can use a flathead screwdriver to push that clip out. But it's kind of a pain in the butt if you've ever done one, because you're going blind and you're trying to push that thing out and you can't see it and you don't know where it is. That usually takes me several minutes to do. So the trick is you grab some cord or some, if you got your shoelace, use your shoelace if that's all you got. And I'll show you how this actually works. I'll put this on the door and I'll show you. But to give you an idea up close, you run the cord over that clip and it catches and it will pull that clip right off. And it's super simple, super easy. It's free if you got a shoelace on you or some cord or a little bit of rope. I think a shoelace would probably be better than the cord, because the shoelace is a little more frayed and I think it'll catch better, but I've used this twice so far and this old paracord works just fine. Okay, let's go ahead and show you real quick. Okay, I actually found a little fatter piece of paracord that I think will work a little bit better for us. Alright, so we got our clip on here. We're just going to go ahead and slap that on. It's now snapped on. It's on there. Let's see if I can do this without getting in the way of the camera. Now when I slide this in, I'm going to kind of roll it back a little bit and try to hook on to that clip. And we'll see. Might take a minute. Oh, that just popped off. You see that? Bam. Just like that. So as you see, it only takes a couple of seconds. That rolling technique is really where it's at, because you gotta get on that clip, roll into it, and then pull it off. But as you see, it's not difficult at all. It only takes a couple of seconds. I'm gonna fish out my clip here. Yep, there it is. Alright, and that's it, folks. Just a quick little tip here. I'm going to go ahead and put all of this back together. But I think I'll pepper in a few of these tips and tricks that are super helpful throughout the channel. I know I have them in larger videos, but if you're not looking specifically for that thing, you might miss it, because the video is about something else. Like when I did this in the door handle video, was for the door handle, not for the window crank. So I believe I have another tip, pro tip for starting campfires in wet weather. Something I do quite a bit living in Alaska. So go ahead and check that. It's another short video. We got this little short video, and as I think of them, I will bring more little tips and tricks to you. I'll go ahead and put a on that ending credits, give you a link to the video for that little tip and trick for how to start a fire in cold weather, and then I'll let YouTube decide what video on my channel is best for you, and we'll see how that turns out. Alright, thanks for sticking around, guys. Later.